Hi everybody and welcome back to Grow and Eat. My name's Gabe and today we are going to talk about an amazing company that Grow and Eat has partnered with this year called Plantables, and they provide seedlings to homes in London and communities. Well, they're located in Forest, Ontario, which is close to Strathroy, so I'm sure they service neighboring communities, but they service all of London. They deliver seedlings to your doorstep. They're amazing. Plantables was a new company. I think they're only about 3 years old now, 3 or 4, and their whole mission is to deliver seedlings, vegetable seedlings, to gardeners all over the city. I know they service London, and I'm not sure, they might do Strathroy, but I know they service London, which is amazing. And for Grow and Eat, I use a lot of their seedlings. And today I'm going to open up the boxes. I've got 3 boxes here that got delivered today. And I'm going to show you how their vegetables come, how their seedlings come packaged, and how healthy they are, and why it's important to get your seedlings from trusted sources. These are 100% organic, locally grown, and you'll see that the packaging, the plastic, is completely recyclable. So let's get to it and see what we have. Plantables box number 1. Aww, aww, happy planting. Thanks for ordering from Plantables. We think you're awesome. Awesome, I love this. They kind of, they let you know how to care for the seedlings before you plant them, while they're in the box, how to remove them, how to kind of acclimatize to their new home before planting, keeping the box open, aerating the plants, and it gives you a little bit of growing instructions. If you have any planting pals who would like to give Plantables a try, you get a discount code. So reach out to me if you'd like seedlings. I can definitely help you get set up with Plantables. I love the people here. They really know what they're doing with their seedlings. So let's see what we got. Look at this. Clean, pristine packaging. Wow. This is how they come. Everything is grown in soil. Nothing is quite root bound yet. Some of these are a little old and they are anxious to get in the soil, but most of them come like this, where you don't have a large mass of roots. This is the only really exception in here. So we've got red pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, kale, mini cucumber, and an amazing lettuce called Salanova lettuce. Let's open up another box, because I've got 3 and I'm anxious to see all the plants. Wow. Okay. In here we have red cherry tomato, beefsteak tomato, green bean, and they come in this beautiful recyclable plastic, and they come in these, look at they're healthy, they're labeled. A lot of them come with labels that give you kind of, oh wow, growing instructions. So space your plants 8 inches apart, keep them in full sun, they're light on fertilizer, and they're container friendly, so it tells you if you can grow them in containers or not. Light on fertilizer means that they are not heavy feeders. So some of these other plants, such as zucchini and tomatoes, will say heavy on fertilizer. So it's actually really great. Plantables not only hooks you up with professionally grown organic transplants just outside of London, Ontario too, but they offer some growing tips, some advice, and the community on Facebook is really quick to answer any questions, gardening questions you may have. And this is why we at Grow and Eat pair, we order all of our seedlings pretty much from Plantables, because this is the state that they come in, perfectly healthy. I've never had any issues with Plantables, so I highly recommend, if you're curious about getting seedlings for your own garden throughout the season, you can go to plantables.ca, and their website is super easy to use, super easy to navigate, and create a shopping cart, and yeah, and then you get them shipped right to your doorstep. It's really great. So 2 thumbs up for Plantables. I love this. I think you're awesome too. Plantables thinks you're awesome. I think you're awesome. Let's see what's in box number 3. Why not? Oh, look at this. Look at these healthy parsley, lemon balm, mint. Wow, just such healthy seedlings. Like, you're really getting your money's worth with this company. It's amazing. You know, basil, kale. And the best thing about these is many a times you'll see that the kale has 3 plants in a pod. Basil has 3, sometimes 4. The kale has 3 plants. That means you can split those plants apart and get multiple seedlings from one unit. So you're paying for 1 plant, but you're getting 4. I really like that. It's a little gardening hack. You can do that with any seedlings you get from stores, nurseries. So yeah, again, Plantables, 2 thumbs up. I have to apologize for not saying goodbye to you in this video, but tune in next time and I might just say goodbye.